I'm altering the pH for blueberries. If I change the soil pH in one area, how large an area does that change affect? Will it impact other plants in a border garden situation? Create stuff on YouTube. It's an interesting question, right?
Yes.
They're doing the right thing, right?
Yeah,
so they want to
are.
alter the pH for blueberries because we know blueberries need a pretty
Low.
acidic,
Yeah,
soil. So what do you think about that?
Well, she's right to be concerned because when you apply, either the granules or the liquid to try to lower the pH in one area, it will stay mostly in there, but doesn't exactly stay exactly in there. But I mean, and if it's a smaller situation and other plants are around, their root systems, go way out. So the root systems might be affected by other plants that are nearby.
Right, because we don't know how close the blueberries are to her garden situation, border garden situation.
Yeah.
But in the immediate area, yes, it would change the pH. But if you have other plants nearby and they have extensive root systems, then there's a chance, right, that they can pick up some of those nutrients as well.
Yeah.
And be affected, by the change in pH.
Yes.
All right. Because most of your plants, for the most part, good pH between 6.0, 6.5 is good, but when we start talking about 5.2 and 5.5 and 4.
Some of the things they just won't like that, but and it just, like I said, it depends on how far away it is. But mostly it does stay in just the area that you put the amendment.
Right, it does.
It doesn't go very far away from that.
Right.
If that's what she's concerned about, so. And just like I said, it does depend on how far away the other plants are.
I would agree with that because, again, if we're talking about altering or lowering the pH, we're talking about elemental sulfur and things like that. So, it just depends on how
far away they are.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.